Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see that how can you create multiple choice question file and then how to upload that on the Blackboard Ilearn. So we will create a file that will contain all these questions. Let's say I'm just going to show you that how to upload that. So I will just consider 2 or 3 problems and how to give these answers and how to provide the multiple choice and how to upload that on the island Blackboard. So let me first click on Ilearn, and then I will go to like to the course which where I want to upload that. So you can upload that in the assignments. Over here you can see this test, so we have to click this test. Before that, let's prepare the test. So for that, what we need to do, we will create an Excel file and then we will convert that Excel file to the text file, because in Blackboard iLearn you can only upload the text file. So let's click on the blank workbook. Over here, so we are going to provide the multiple choice question. So just write capital MC in the first column, and then you can drag that up to what number of questions you have. So I have only like for me, like I will just provide for 3 problems. So I will just drag that and I will write MC multiple choice for 3 problems. And over here you can write the questions. So let's say we have this question: what is the function of cone pulley drive in the lathe machine? So just copy that, go over here and paste that. Now options, it has A, so just click on this, copy that. In the next column, paste that. Leave the second column, like leave the D column blank, go to E, and then paste the copy and paste the next option. Same, you have to copy the third option. You have to give a one space between each options. And the last is all of the above, Control C and Control V. Okay, so that was it. Is now over here, as you can see, the answer is change the spindle speed. That means the answer is B. So this is the change in spindle speed E, and then in the next column I will write correct. So this option is correct, so I will write correct in front of that. And in all other options I will write incorrect, and I can copy that to write over here. So over here it was all of the above. So as you can see, this is the question. One option incorrect, second option correct, third option incorrect, fourth option incorrect. The same way you will follow this pattern to upload all the questions. So this is the second question. Copy that, paste over here in the column B, and then Control C for the first option, paste it over here. Second question, Control C, paste that uh, by like one column after that. Control C and Control V for paste, and then copy this and paste it over here. Now for this, the answer is apron C. So what we will do, copy that and write correct over here, copy that and provide the incorrect ones. Now let's just do a small one just to see that what we have. Okay, so which is the following is an extensive property? Copy that, paste that, and you have to paste all the options. So volume, then pressure, So as per your requirement, if you have more questions, you need to copy and paste all the questions and all the options. Okay, so we have pasted all the options over here. The correct is volume. So let's copy that and paste that correct, and let's copy the incorrect, paste that text over there. Now we have to save this file. um, so let's save this file in the documents, and we have to save this file as a text tab delimited. So click on this text tab delimited book one and then save that. Now go to Ilearn where you want to upload that test. So click on this assessment, click on the test. Now as you can see, create a new test. So click on that. You can give the name of test. So let's say test 1, and then you can write description if you want. If you want instruction, you can write that also, and then click on submit. So we have created a test 1. Now we have to upload the questions. So click on this upload questions. Over here we have to upload the file, and let's say each question is of 1 point. So over here I will define the points per question. It is 1 point. Click on the browse, and let's go to the document book 1, which we already just now created, and click on the submit. So now as you can see, we have a description, like we have total 3 questions. It is of worth of total 3 points. Select by type, question type. So now as you can see, we have created, like, this is a question and the correct answer is there. Now this like this thing you only can see. So then click on the OK. So we have test 1 over here, which we created just now. Click on the submit to deploy that, and just so as you can see, you can give the test name, you can change the color, give the description, and then open test in a new window. It depends on you. If you want to open a new window, click on yes, otherwise no. Make available to students. So it depends on you. If you want to make it available just now, you can make it yes or no. Add a test announcement, you can click on that. Multiple attempts, you can allow for multiple attempts. Then you can set the timer, like how much minutes the students can attempt the test. So you can select this. You can select the date and time, that when you want to display, and until at what time you want to display that. If you want to give a password, you can give the password, and then due date, and there are some other options you can see. You can go over that. Okay, and now after that, click on the submit. So now as you can see, this test is available, but it's not available for the students. So as an instructor, you can see this test, but from the side of students, they will not going to see the test. So now let's check that if the test is working or not. So click on the test, and that will start the test. Click on the begin, and now as you can see, this is the test 1, and we are getting the questions and the options. So for the first one, let's select this, and let's select pressure, and then save and submit. Click on OK. So now as you can see, test have been submitted. Student name will be there, and this is the course, all these things. Click on OK. So what I got first question correct, second question wrong, third question wrong, and the student can see that he is going to get 1 out of 3 points. So in this way, you can create an Excel file, and then save that file to the text file, and then go to the Ilearn, go to assessment, click on test, and submit the test. And if you want to delete the test, click on this, delete that, and delete. Select, like, from these 2 points, you can select any, like, as per your convenience you can select. I'm going to select this one because I don't want the attempts, the grades for this test, because I just make this for for a tutorial. So I will just click on this, click on the remove, and that will remove everything which is related to that test. So in this way, create your own test, like create your own multiple choice question test, and have fun. Thank you.